Best massage tables for relaxation. Tested and reviewed. Massage is a vital part of a good workout routine. Reclining on a supremely comfortable surface, feeling every muscle in your body unwind under expert hands. How do you make this vision come true? By investing in the best massage tables available today. Whether you are a professional masseuse looking for an upgrade or simply someone aiming to transform their living space into a personal oasis of peace, finding the right massage table is crucial. Are you intrigued yet? This video will guide you through the labyrinth of options and help bring serenity directly into your home or practice. Number 1. Best for outdoor use. BestMassage massage table. The massage table has a 2-inch thick sponge, giving you a soft and comfortable experience. The massage table is made of the highest quality beech, reinforced hardwood corner blocks for superior strength, to enable up to 450 pounds on the spa table. Massage table, massage bed, spa table. The sturdy feet of the massage bed are equipped with height-adjustable knobs, which can be adjusted to massage table height by turning the button. The massage table height was adjusted from 24 inches to 34 inches. The simple height adjustment method is convenient for the masseur to work better with a spa bed. Fold massage tail, massage bed, portable massage table. Item weight: 1.05 pounds. Color: blue. Product dimensions: 82 by 35 and 34 inches. Item weight: 1.05 pounds. Number 2. Best in easy assembly. Amazon commercial folding massage table. Massage table offers client comfort and adjustable height ergonomics for massage therapists. Durable, sturdy construction. Consists of 35% plywood, 10% solid wood, 35% foam, 15% PVC leather, and 5% iron. Easy setup: simply unfolds the table from the middle, and the legs automatically fall into place. Item weight: 13.5 kilograms. Color: black. Product dimensions: 84 by 37 and 34.5 inches. Weight: 29.76 pounds. Number 3. Best in sturdy construction. SierraComfort basic portable massage table. Beech hardwood, multiple frame cables, threaded support bar, 2-inch high-density foam deck, water and oil-resistant PU leather upholstery. This item benefits from an extended 90-day return window. Color: black beige. Number of items: 1. Material: beech. Color: black beige. Item weight: 31.3 pounds. Item dimensions: LXWXH, 73x28x33 inches. Number 4. Best for home use. Master Massage 303 Del Rey Pro portable massage table. The sand beige PU upholstery is oil and water resistant, CFC free, and with denim-like reinforcement backing for extra durability. It's protected by a 2-year guarantee. 3-inch thick cushion of multi-layer small cell foam, patented to be more dense than standard foam. Item weight: 34 pounds. Color: cream. Product dimensions: 38x31x 10 inches. Number 5. Best lightweight. Yaheetech massage table portable massage bed. The whole height of this lash bed can be adjusted within 8 different positions, up to 35 inches. According to your various needs, you can change the massage table heights by pressing the knobs easily. Plus, for better experiences, the headrest adopts a quick-fix locking device, through which the angle of the headrest can be adjusted and locked. Item weight: 30.2 pounds. Color: black. Product dimensions: 84x32.5x35 inches. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our Cole products, as it will make your life much easier.